Diphthongs. Welcome back, students. Today we're going to dive deeper into diphthongs. This is the second lesson on diphthongs. If you missed the first one, please click back to the channel and watch that one before you watch this one. Remember, a diphthong is when we take two vowel sounds and combine them to make what sounds like one sound. Today, we'll be covering two more diphthongs. They are O and ow. You may already have one or both of these sounds in your native language, but here, in this video, you'll learn how to use them in American English. The first diphthong we'll cover today is O. It's the same exact sound that you would make when you say the letter O. Some languages do not have this sound, and it can be quite difficult to master. A lot of times, my students will say the sound like this, O. The problem is that they are only saying one sound when they should be combining two. Which two vowel sounds do you hear when you hear me say O? Listen again. I'll do it slower this time. O. If you were listening carefully, you should have heard and oo. Listen again. O. Now, I'll do it again, but very slowly, so you can hear how I slide from the first vowel sound to the second. O. Let's practice the sound in some short words. Please repeat. And focus on the vowel sound us, gun, fun, mutt, hut, shut, up. Now, let's practice the oo sound in some short words. Repeat. Moon, soon, boot, suit, fruit. Ooh, that looks yummy. All right, good. Now, let's combine these two vowel sounds to make the diphthong. Start by saying the first vowel sound and sliding it to the next sound oo. First, let me do it very, very slowly so you can hear how the sounds are combined. O. Now, together, let's do them a bit faster. Please repeat. O. O. Again. O. Once more. O. Now, a bit faster. O. O. Now, even faster. And this is how it will sound naturally. O. 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 Let's try this diphthong in some words. And I want you to really listen to the length of the vowel sounds. We'll go from a long sound to a short sound. Please repeat and focus on the length of the diphthong. Go, goal, ghost. Row, roll, wrote. Dough, don't, dope. Let's practice this diphthong in some common phrases and short sentences. Please repeat 2 words and then repeat the sentence. Go home. I have to go home. No show. He's not coming, he's a no-show. So broke. I paid all my bills, now I'm so broke. Good work. Are you ready for the next diphthong? All right. The next diphthong we'll focus on is ow. Ouch! That's right. It's the same sound you make when you bang your toe into something. The first sound in the ow diphthong is ah, as in hat. The second sound is one we just talked about a minute ago, oo, as in moon. Listen to me as I do the diphthong very slowly so you can hear how the sound moves from one to the other. Ow. Let's practice the ah sound in short words. Please repeat. And focus on the short vowel sound, ah. Hat. Cat. Mat. At. Fat. Sat. Man. Stand. Now, the oo sound, just like before. Please repeat. Moon. Soon. Boot. Suit. Fruit. Ooh, that looks great. All right, good. Now, let's combine these 2 vowel sounds to make the diphthong. Start by saying the first vowel sound, ah, and sliding it to the next sound, oo. Listen to it very slowly first. Ow. Now, let's do them a bit faster together. With me. And repeat. Ow. Ow. Again. Ow. Once more. Ow. Now, a bit faster. Ow. 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 And now with the natural sound. Ow. 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 Let's practice the ow sound with different lengths of sound from short to long. Focus on the sound and its length. Let's go from short to long. Please repeat. Allow. Sound. Out. Sow. Ground. About. Now. Down. Bout. Finally, let's practice some short sentences using the ow diphthong. Please repeat. Allow. Sound. Out. Allow the sound to come out. Sow, ground, about. The sow on the ground is walking about. Found, out, how. I'm not sure, but he found out how. Good work, students. That's all we have time for today. Hit subscribe and tap the bell for notifications about upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. If you would like to have a more personal experience learning the American accent, please come join me in my class at DELC in Watamakai in Pathumthani, Thailand. Sign up for an in-class experience or sign up for an online experience with other students. Just click the link in the description below. See you next time. Sawasdee krap.